everyone, I am Khairunisa. In this video, I will review some material related to English text. So, let's watch this video until it's finished. Recount text. Recount text is one type of text in English that contains a story of an action or activity of the author of characters in the story. Structure recount text. Orientation. Orientation is information about the characters, location, time of occurrence. Series. Series of events means occurrence or a series of events. In this section, the writer will write a series of events that they experience. Reorientation. Reorientation means the end. In this section, the writer will summarize and complete the whole story while telling the ending, sad ending or happy ending. Spoof text. Spoof text is a story that retells an event in a fun way and usually ends with a funny surprise. This text contains humorous elements that often arise from situations that initially seem normal, but end in unexpected way. Structure spoof text. Orientation. This section introduces the characters, setting, and initial situation of the story. Event. This is the main part of the story where the event leading up to the climax occur. The sequence of event is usually presented in a normal manner, so that the reader is unaware of the upcoming twist. This part is the ending of the story with an unexpected or hideous ending. Description text. Description text is a text that explaining something, be it people, object, event, or place. Descriptive text provides a detailed explanation so that readers understand the information object they are looking for. Structure descriptive text. Identification or introduction. Identification contains an introduction or explanation of the main characters to be described. This section is located in the first paragraph. The characters can be a person, object, place, or event. Report text. Report text is a type of text in English that explains the details of an object. The explanation is the report text are the result of observation, research, observation, or studies on various things. Structure report text. General classification. The first structure is the first part, which contains various general information based on the results of observation made by the author. The results of the test observation can be in the form of animals, natural phenomena, plants, and other topics in detail. Description. The second structure of the report text is in paragraph 2 and has the same function as the descriptive text, namely to describe in more depth the details of the author's research results in details. Narrative text. Narrative text is a text that tells a series of events in sequence and connected to each other. Structure narrative text. Orientation. Orientation is the introduction part of narrative text. Complication. Complication is the second structure in narrative text that contains the conflict, problem, or crisis in the story. Resolution. Resolution is the final part of a narrative text that contains the problem solving of the conflict that occurred in the complication section. Analytical exposition text. Analytical exposition text is an opinion from the author on an issue discussion in his writing. Structure analytical exposition. Thesis. In this section, it is required that the author informs about a topic that will be discussed. Argument. After writing the introduction, the writer writes an opinion on the topic presented. Conclusion. The analytical exposition text must end with an ascension. Explanation text. Explanation text is a text that explains how and why something can happen, either natural or social phenomena. Structure explanation text. Title. The title of the text provides an overview of the contents of the text. General statement. A general description of the matter described in the text will be explained. Explanation. This section provides a series of processes on how and why something happens or cause and effect explained through a series of events. Conclusion, which contains the conclusion of the entire process that has been explained previously. Discussion text. A discussion text is a text that contains a discussion about an issue. Structure discussion text. Statement of issue. The first paragraph is an introduction or statement of the issue to be discussed. List of supporting points. In the next paragraph, the writer provides several things that support the issue being discussed or present. A pro-argument. List of contrast points. In contrast to paragraph that contain things that support the issue, and recommendation. In the last paragraph, the writer provides recommendation related to the issue being discussed to the reader. Procedure text. Procedure text is a text that contains a way to explain something that contains steps. Structure procedure text. Goals. This section is usually found in the title of the procedure text. Material. Tools and material needed to make something. Steps. This section contains text or steps in making, doing, or operating something according to the title of the procedure text. Hortatory exposition. Hortatory exposition text is a type of text that is used to convince or announce readers or listeners to do something or take a certain action. Structure of hortatory exposition. Thesis. The introduction aims to grab the reader or listener attention and make them interested in continuing to read or listen to the text. Argument. Argument in hortatory exposition contain argument that support the author's statement or opinion and why certain action should be taken. Recommendation. This section invites the readers to take action or change their attitude according to the statement of opinion that has been presented. Anecdote text. Anecdote text is a short piece of writing that is humorous and raises various topics. Structure anecdote text. Abstract. Abstract is the initial part of an anecdote text that provides an overview of the substance of the text. Orientation. Orientation is the part that discusses the beginning of an event or provides background information about an event. Crisis. Crisis or complication in anecdote text refers to the part that describes the situation or problem experienced by the author or character in the story. Reaction. This section explains what action the author or character in the story takes to deal with the problems that arise in the crisis section. And the last coda. The coda is the last part that contains a conclusion about the event discussion by the authors. News item. News item is a text which informs readers about event of the day. Structure news item. Newsworthy event. a paragraph that contains a summary of an event, an important event that is highlighted to be conveyed to the reader. Background event. The event background contains the background of the event that occurred. Sources. This is the section that contains the opinions of expressed or a witness in edition. Review text. Review text is a type of text in English that contains review, evaluation, or assessment of a product. Structure review text. Orientation. Must introduce a product or work that will be discussed to the audience. Evaluation. The evaluation paragraph generally talks about the advantage, uniqueness, quality, and what you find striking about a work or product. Interpretative. This is paragraph that contains the author's view of the work or product being reviewed. And the last, evaluative summation. In this section, the author can give a conclusion at the end of the review text.